got a piece of resalvaged stainless steel here, and I'm going to make 2 mufflers for my Avro Speedster. So I'm just going to cut these pieces out here and roll them up on a pipe in the vise, and put some pipe in the inside, drill some holes in it, and then make an inlet and outlet on both ends, and make it so that it kind of resonates inside it and causes it to quiet my car because it's a little loud. So I'm going to get a cutoff wheel and a grinder, and I'll be right back. I'm just going to wrap it around a pipe in the vise. So here's our former, and I'm just going to wrap this around like this. So see if I can get this round now. Kind of squashed teardrop shaped. So if I put that inboard, or do I slide this over something smaller? That's the perfect size there, I think. The perfect size material. I don't need a big muffler, I just need a small one. So there's the shape I got right there, and it's kind of not round, so I'm gonna get something else here to make it rounder. Okay, so I'm gonna use a paint can, and that's gonna be my my circle maker for the muffler. And then I'm going to use the paint can to be inside here and squash it on the paint can, so it'll hold both ends exactly the same size. Get 2 out of here. So there we go. There's my 2 ends of my muffler. And now I'm going to slide this down here. And I'm going to tighten this clamp up if I can. So that kind of sucks. I got to go with a smaller clamp. I'll leave that out a little bit there. And now I can tighten this clamp up and go the size of the paint can. Impact driver. So it shapes to the can. And it'll make it round, which isn't too bad. And then I can weld an end on it and then pop the can out. Yeah, it's pretty good. There we go. I'm just going to grind it a little bit. Basically, that's an end piece to the muffler. I'll just MIG weld around the outside of it, and it'll burn through. And then I'll grind it off flush, and then shape it and polish it. Get it started on there. So I got the clamp on it now, and I got it tacked in place. I'm just going to finish welding it around the outside of it, and then I'll grind the weld off, and I'll be able to polish it. Kind of coming roundish. Let's try that in the muffler. There we go. So I need to put it inside and then tack it. So this is how I'm doing it. I got one end welded, tacked in there, and then I got this side here kind of bent over to the side, and I'm starting to pack this full fiberglass. This is what they call homemade glass pack. So I have it almost full. And you really pack it. I think that's enough. I think that's enough now. So now I'm going to pull this over, if I can. Put a pry bar on there, pull it over, and then tack, put a little bar in here, a little piece of material, and just tack it. So I'm going to yell at the top of my lungs, and then I'm going to yell through the muffler, so you know how well this homemade glass pack works. Ah! Is that amazing or what? Wow. So there we go. My muffler is done. I'm going to make another one the same. So it's going to go right there. And I'm going to bring this part, that hanger's got to go up into that hook. So this is all going to be tucked up nice and tight against the body, right under this thing, nice and tight. Okay, so there, I got a hanger there. I got a stainless steel clamp there at the front of my new muffler. And there's my new muffler. And then it goes back to the back pipe. It comes out the back of the car. And it goes back to the exhaust tip. Here's the sound of the side that's got the muffler on it. And here's the sound of the side that has no muffler on it. So we still have to do that side yet. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.